Okay guys, now at Hare Lane station now, we have, hold on, Harry and Andrew over there. Tonight, filming the trains here, and Jack Pot roll for the next video. And as we get into the video, welcome to the vlog. Continue shortly. Waiting for Harry and Andrew to buy something from the shops. Didn't know there was toilets here, but they're closed. We apologise that this toilet has been closed due to a fault that's been reported, and the toilet will be open once the fault has been repaired. And the Northern Line is still closed between Kenton and Moorgate until mid-May, and then now the severe delays on the Jubilee line. It's about to get onto the underground now. It's about to tap for the barriers. Yeah, guys, you coming? Nice looking station, guys. He's bound to still not stopping at Stratton. Here comes Harry. Andrew, you coming? Central line. And as you can see, guys, it's raining outside. And over there we have the North Circular.
Do you want to mention it? We just got some permission. We just went to ask start the petition. And then they were like half the whistles. And they said it's fine. We can crack on with it.
We're now just making our way down to the westbound Eastbourne platforms. I don't think we should go right down today because it's raining. We should stay in the shaded bit. We'll try to anyways. Okay, the next train to West Rice is in 2 minutes, and the next one to Loughton is in 1 minute. Hey guys, our next train's going to be on that side, towards Loughton. I think we should stay here. Yeah. Just walking up the platform now. Down in Lane. You're not going to use that as the thumbnail? I'll take a picture of it later. How much was that milkshake, mate?
£1.50.
Bloody hell, that's a lot for a milkshake. It's cheaper in Tesco. You can get them in Tesco for like £1.
Here we go.
Never mind. I'm going to stay here because it's raining.
Well, that's off the whistles, mate.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, first train.
I'm standing under the shelter, guys, because it's raining.
Thank you.
First central line of the evening, going to Loughton. Okay, and that one's off to Loughton. Well, let's see if the West Rice service is coming in on the westbound side. Hold on, let's see. Oh, it's just about 1 minute away. And Harry and Andrew down the other end. Okay, incoming now is the westbound train going to West Ruislip. And above us, the North Circular Road again. Anyways, what's that? Looks like it's an office block building over there we have. That's what's that say? Crownley Plaza, whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but anyways, it's off now to West Ruislip. It goes up around the bend. Okay, incoming now we have a central line going to West Ruislip.
Where's your driver?
Trying to concentrate. Shouldn't distract the driver. Okay, off goes the central line to West Ruislip. Son of a sword. Oh, there's a spark. It looks like one of the lights are out on the back. The one on the far right's out. Headlight.
Anyway, we're between Parryvale and Northampton stations. Oh, central line.
I'll keep it rolling.
Prepare to get another whistle.
Flashing a spark.
Come on. Keep it out then.
Go to the outside.
Let's go!
I don't think so. Or over there.
It's better not to get people's camera for this car.
Yeah, I know, but it's not that many people up there anyways.
Stop the outside. The next stop is going to be Hanger Lane.
Northampton.
I almost said Hanger Lane.
Which
This is Hanger Lane.
we filmed out a few months ago. Off it goes in the distance. Over here are some blocks of flats.
Hey, whistle it.
Whistle for us.
Wait it.
The engine off.
You can if you want. You go on, Andrew. West Ruislip. Sound the whistle, please, mate.
Stand the whistle, driver. Who's the West Ruislip?
Okay, there's that one's leaving to West Ruislip. We got one. This one going to Epping.
Whistle! One whistle.
Oh well. Okay. Cheers! We have a train going to Norfolk.
The driver is smiling.
It must be enjoying the weather.
That's not one more on it later. Thank you very much, right? It's going to give us more.
Yeah, 30,000 more.
It's hard to put on top.
Party.
Okay.
Press the button.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, yes. Oh, got another one. 5 for the price of one. It goes to Northolt.
Yes. 4 going out, 2 in. That's
I think it-
6.
Yeah, 6. Off it goes round the bend. Turn round. Harry, turn round. This is the best bicycle train.
That's loud, eh?
Harry, get this one in. Oh, never mind, never mind.
Come on. Down there. Thank you.
Cheers. Yay, that's 7. And that one under is going to West Ruislip.
Keep it rolling, mate. Keep it rolling.
Yeah, turn round, turn round.
The West Iceland one TV. It's parking for West Iceland.
Parking for West Ruislip.
Okay, and this one's off to where's
Keep it rolling.
this one's off to Loughton.
And thanks for the lovely whistle there, driver.
Thanks for the lovely whistles.
That's my tap light on.
She's got her jack light on.
Waste of electricity. And it's still pouring. It's still pouring with rain.
Moment 16:22 in the afternoon.
And the other one's already gone. Just missed this one because I couldn't get rid of my phone because of stupid rain.
Don't forget to turn the
Cole, hold up.
What?
Jordan.
before we go.
Jordan's on the
It
line.
turned the phone towards us.
Jordan's on the line.
Hi Jordan, you alright?
Yeah, you got that delay?
Why have you used Meridian Water as your... Oh wait, hold on, no, I made a mistake.
My thumbnail. Hey,
Oh.
do you know what? We've got whistles hanger. We've got legendary 6
Okay. This train leaving because I want to get out of the station. Like I said before, the next stop's going to be Park Royal, so stay tuned for that.
You're not offended of it. Oh yeah, do you know what? We're just trying to catch as many times as we can here.
Oh, Andrew, let me
Yeah.
speak to Jordan, please.
They go.
Hey, Jordan. Turn the volume up. Is it turned up?
Yeah, go on. He said hello.
Did you put all those? Did you put the photos up of the football thing I showed you?
Just one, he said.
Just one. Oh, ask him to put the other side for me,
He
please.
said put the others up as well.
I've
Do your best for the ending.
no, not yet, not yet. We're not finished.
Subscribe for me as well and Jordan.
I'm not finished.
All right.
I'm gonna wrap up when we get outside. But anyways, for your ending, goodbye.
Thanks for watching, anyway.
Right.
We're now moving on to Hager Lane, mate.
Park Royal.
Park Royal, sorry. Park Royal. Hi, mate, we're off.
Never
Yeah.
Land.
Call it Park Royal, yeah?
Andrew, we'll call him back later.
Take that back. It's going to call that Park Royal.
Hey, just before we go, what do you reckon's wrong with this door? Do you reckon is this door broken?
Right.
You try open it, please, Mr. Great, Mr. Magnus.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's something wrong with it.
Oh, hello.
Final the train before we leave. And this one's off to West Ruislip.
No, the labyrinth thing.
What?
The labyrinth thing.
Oh yeah. We're now leaving Hanger Lane. We'll sort of wrap up when we get outside the station in a moment.
Harry, we've nailed it.
Okay, and this one's off to rest by slip. Just doing that, guys, because I have to get my pass out before we tap out again. Upstairs we go.
I'll make sure I comment on your one and you comment on mine, don't you?
Okay, here we come back again towards the barriers and the broken toilet. Okay. Okay guys, now leaving now. Please don't forget to like, turn the post notification on, comment, share and subscribe. The next stage is going to be part wall, like I said. So stay tuned for that. And goodbye. Andrew, do it, do it. Andrew. Anything you guys want to say before we continue on?
I was going to say thank you to the member of the staff.
Thanks, mate. All right, anything you want to do?
We'll see you at Park Royal anyway. And it's goodbye from me. Got it?